Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to discuss few more important questions which is very beneficial for your upcoming exam like FCI AG3. Okay. So let's start with the basic questions. Which hormone is secreted by ovary or released by the ovary? Estrogen, progesterone, insulin, 1 and 2, thyroxine. Okay. So if you see, then thyroxine that is secreted by the thyroid gland. Okay. And while insulin that is secreted by the pancreas, while estrogen and progesterone that is secreted by the ovary. Okay. And testosterone that is secreted by the testes. Next question, oxygen released during the photosynthesis comes from, okay, photosynthesis, that is the converting of light energy into the chemical energy. Okay. And most of during the photosynthesis, what happens? The plant takes CO2 and hydrogen from the atmosphere and it converted into glucose, and the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Then that oxygen that is released during the photosynthesis comes from carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, glucose, water, or none. So see, generally what happens, there is a two steps in photosynthesis. One is cyclic, light reaction, and another is dark reaction. In light reaction, there is cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, so oxygen is released during the photolysis of water, means breaking of water. Okay, in a light reaction. So water, the oxygen that is released in the photosynthesis, that comes from the water. On the basis of fertilization, sex determined before fertilization, as in case of drone of honeybee, is known as. Okay, then syngamic, epigamic, 1 and 2, progamic, and none. Okay, syngamic means sex is determined during the fertilization, epigamic means sex is determined after the fertilization, and progamic means sex is determined before the fertilization. So right answer will be progamic. Lines connecting points of constant moisture content is known as isobar, isotope, isotherm, isoster, isophenyl. Isobar means lines connecting the equal pressure. Okay, isotopes, when you talk about the isotopes, isotope means element having the same number of the same atomic number, okay, but different atomic mass. Okay. Again, when you talk about the isotherms, the lines connecting the same temperature. Isophenyl means lines connecting the same seasonal phenomena. And isoster means the lines connecting points of constant moisture constant. Okay. So our answer will be isoster. Which of the following have lowest taste weight? Rice, wheat, bajra, tobacco, and mustard. Then you see, if you talk about the rice, wheat, bajra, mustard, okay, then bajra how much? You know regarding the rice and the wheat. Bajra how much taste weight is that? That is 5 to 6, mustard 3 to 5, and the lowest is of the tobacco, that is 0.05 to 1.2, lowest view of the tobacco. Which of the following term is related to the tobacco? All, topping, desuckering, that priming, curing. Then these all terms are related to the tobacco. When you talk about the topping, that is the removal of the terminal bud. Okay, desuckering, that is the removal of lateral branches or suckers, that is desuckering. Priming, that is the removal of the mature leaves from the, and curing, that is the drying process. Okay, where most of the moisture of the leaves is removed, that is curing. These all four processes done in the case of tobacco. Feniculum vulgare is scientific name of fennel, coriander, fenugreek, guar, buckwheat. Then Feniculum vulgare is the scientific name of fennel. Which of the following have lowest ionization enthalpy? Ionization enthalpy means the minimum amount of energy that is required to remove the electron from the outermost shell. Okay, see, when you go down the group, then what happens? The radius of the element increases, or the size, atomic radius increases, or size increases. When size is increases, then the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron decreases, and hence the lesser amount of energy will be required to remove the outermost electron. Cesium is placed at the bottom of the group, so the right answer will be cesium. Which of the following nutrient is available in both form, cation as well as the anion? Nitrogen, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, copper. Then the our answer will be nitrogen. You know, nitrogen is available in the ammonical form also, that is cation, and nitrate form also, that is anion. So the right answer is nitrogen. Which of the following has lowest energy: radio waves, gamma rays, UV rays, infrared rays, visible rays. Okay, so see the EM waves, these are EM waves, radio waves, microwaves. When you go across this, left to right, that is radio, micro, infrared rays, visible, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. Then frequency increases. Frequency increases means energy increases. Okay, so if you go from this left to right, then the gamma rays will have the highest energy and radio waves will have the lowest energy. So the right answer is radio waves. So guys, let's meet you in the next video with few more important questions. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.